It's a little bit flat, but that's better than being completely flat. Jeez. Okay, we're back out. I need to point you down. I watch video. Let's go for a little bike ride. Okay. Probably gonna be going a little bit of a different route from yesterday. But, oh shoot, why not? You know, I need to take these off. That's nice. I knew they were getting Halloween decorations set up yesterday. So I'm gonna start trying to film a lot more. If you didn't see the video from yesterday, look at the exhaust on the Honda. Looks like an HDMI port. I don't know why, but it does. I need to put that up just in case. If I had my dirt bikes, I wouldn't be able to go out on them today. I might be doing another video today, changing the oil on the DRZ 110. Okay. I just saw like a skull in the ground. And oh yeah, today we're gonna go through the woods that I was talking about in yesterday's video. No, we're not going down there. Why not? Whew. Like, this is the gear to be in. 5th gear on my bike. She's good. 5th gear, 2nd friction, whatever. Of course, I gotta have the Send It sticker on there. There's normally a really nice hot rod that sits outside there. I need to get a bigger helmet, but it's like $150. Maybe we'll go to Fay Park today. I don't know. Normally I film like I'm starting to film like 3 times a day on the weekends. Or like get 3 different clips when leaving the house, when I'm on my dirt bike, going to the woods to meet up with my friends. I might be going to Canaveral Groves next weekend or whenever I get the dirt bikes back. As soon as I get them back, I'll let y'all know. The good thing about having it like on the top of my helmet, the GoPro, is I can like see what I'm recording. Like, oh, this is what she was talking about. That's cool. Wow, that's big. It's bright outside. Wow. Oh, I need to tighten this. There. If I fall, it's because I'm adjusting my goggles. I want to get 509 goggles. That's pretty cool. I can't really see what I'm recording with the goggles on though. I had no clue that a Tesla lived there. What is that? Oh. I have 3 hours of recording left and 38% battery. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I got that on video yesterday. That's pretty cool. Oh, they're going over the bridge. What's that? My brother Joey's got one of those Subi STIs. That's pretty nice. That one's a little bit older, I think. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I like them. No, maybe that's the same year, just a little bit different. Subi STI Imprezas, whatever. It's all close enough. Yeah, let's go down in the woods. I haven't been back here in a little while. We'll do one lap and leave and head home because it's too hot in this helmet. I swear. Let's go on the sidewalk. It's way, oh, really? What? Gotta be in first gear. Oh, I need to take a lawnmower back here or something. No, my lawnmower would not make it through this. A zero turn, yeah, it'll make it back here. That's, no. Just driving through here, maybe. Oh, there's a vine. Let's see what happens. me set my bike down. What the hell? I have a stick. Ooh. It's like whenever I wear my helmet and I have the GoPro on and you see me out in public, or like out in the woods back there or in here, I'm recording, probably. Oh, jeez. It's not that big of a track, but, well, it's better than nothing. Oh, that hurt. And back over here. Oh no, my new shoes. Oh, they're fine. There. No, I'm not gonna ride by his house. I gotta be in the shade. Jesus, it's hot. It's better. I'm gonna stop real quick and see how hot it is. Like, if you're just sitting in the shade, it's really nice. Why is the camera so hot? Okay, that makes sense. It's 83 degrees. Yeah, I'm gonna get some videos of my dad's house. I'm gonna be posting a video probably like in January, because I might not be able to edit videos up there. I don't know. Depending on what editor he uses, I might be able to hook it up to his computer. Looks like my neighbor's car. It's a pretty big house. Yeah, my mom used to have an Equinox like that. Same color, same year. Okay, we're at like 30% battery. There's supposed to be a rocket going off. Is it right now? I don't see anything. Normally it's coming from that way. Oh, there's a car. My foot just slipped off the peg, or pedals, whatever. Yep, there's that car again. Sorry if the wind is pretty bad. I can't really help it. Oh, jeez, I remember these woods. Me and my friends went back there when it wasn't all cleared out. When it wasn't cleared out, we found a rusty machete. It was creepy, but it was funny. This was like 5 years ago, I think. I don't know. Well, this is the end of the video, probably. So, see you guys next time, and peace.